end to that first quarter. I say big because that gave them their biggest lead, Coach Ralph, at 14 points.
Ang sakit nun para sa JRU actually. Ang ganda na ng dinipensa nila.
Yeah.
Imbis na ma-hold lang nila for like 12 points ba? Lumaki pa lalo.
Yun yung mga plays na nakaka-deflate.
Correct.
If you're the other team.
So, kailangan syempre buhayin pa rin nila yung motivate pa rin nila yung isa't isa. Malayo pa to.
Yeah.
30 minutes. Mahaba pa.
Mahaba pa. So, Commissioner Ogie Bernarte talking to our referee. Okay. Second quarter tayo. That's referee Isuga. Kausap ni Commissioner Ogie.
Palit ng depensa ngayon ng JRU. They're playing zone. 1-2-2 zone. Tingnan natin kung maging effective.
Zone buster. Masyado malakas. Oh, pero sa ilalim. Pangkali getting the offensive rebound.
Sa weakness talaga ng zone, offensive rebound. Bibigay ka na maraming offensive rebound.
Kasi coach, you already forced the outside shot from John Habonete. Di ka nga lang nakaposisyon sa rebound. So, Checo Bangkale will step to the free throw line. And he will make it a 17-point lead for Mapua.
Malaki na to.
The Mapua Cardinals. This is another statement first half for them. At this point of the season, they are starting to get that chemistry going. Pangilinan misfires and Bangkale collects the rebound. Ito na si Checo Bangkale. Steady guard ni Coach Randy. He will back up. Bagsak dalawang player sa ilalim. Si Edward Ryan at saka si Ivan Panapanaan.
Dapat lang talagang i-focus pa rin ng JRU yung taking good shots. Actually, that's a good shot last possession. And then possession by possession, wag na muna nila tingnan yung score.
One possession na lang ito. Nahila ni Panapanaan. Pababa doon si Edward Ryan. The two players were jockeying for possession. Palitan sa big man ng JRU. De Leon and Panapanaan will go out along with MJ Raimundo. Joshua Giab is back in the fold. Kasama si Lance Benitez. Hindi, si Raimundo pala. Balik sa ating laban.
Balik pa rin sa zone, no?
Ito. So, kanina kasi naka-force sila ng miss shot. Giab. Cuenco recognizing that mismatch.
Ang hirap talaga. Ang dami nilang weapons eh. Ang daming weapons ng Mapua ngayon. All cylinders firing pa.
4 out of 4 for Cuenco to begin this game. Argente. Oh, that's on JRU. Offensive foul on the Heavy Bombers.
Kala ko JRU na mapapabor na sa JRU na tawag na yun eh.
Wow. Ito, JRU stuck in a big hole here in the first half. Staring at a 19-point deficit at gusto pang tagdagan dito ng Mapua. Bangkale. Bangkale drives. Bangkale reverse. Oh, that would have been a highlight.
Ganda nun. Ganda sana.
Raimundo gets himself to the free throw line.
Tuloy pa niya yung pagiging aggressive ni Raimundo.
Yeah. Kailangan niya makuha yung mga numero niya dito. Alright, as he steps to the free throw line, let's go back courtside with our courtside reporter, Erin T.
Consistency, composure, at communication on the court. Yan nga ang mga bagay na kailangang bigyang halaga ng mga koponan ayon sa kanilang team captains na sina Joshua Giab ng JRU Heavy Bombers at Clint Escamis ng Mapua Cardinals. Ayon kay Giab, kailangan daw sila mag-focus sa kanilang chemistry on the court at i-maintain ang kanilang depensa hanggang dulo. Ayon naman kay Escamis, hindi daw nila mamaliitin ang JRU kaya pinaghandaan talaga nila ang laban na ito. With both squads determined, it all comes down to execution and heart. Will Mapua maintain their aggressive pace or will JRU's young squad rise to the challenge and deliver a breakthrough performance? Tignan nga natin. Balik sa inyo, Martin and Rob.
Thank you, Erin. Well, those are words from the respective team captains as Mangubat drains the
Kasama na rin sa
three-pointer.
party si Mangubat.
This is now a 21-point lead for Mapua. Yung communication at chemistry na sinasabi, mas gumagana ngayon para sa Mapua Cardinals. Not necessarily because of their ball movement.
hinintay nila yung timing nila. Actually, di sila nagsasapawan sa tira.
Yeah.
Kung sino libre, kung sino may advantage, doon sila pumupunta.
And this time, it was Lawrence Mangubat draining a triple that time. Teka, may foul ulit tayo sa ilalim. Para sa JRU, coach, nasasabayan nung pagsabog sa opensa ng Mapua yung kanilang struggle sa opensa, no?
Pero dapat balikan lang nila. Actually, sila yung may pinakamaraming free throw attempts per game. So, para makuha mo yun, maging aggressive ka pa rin. Tuloy mo yung aggressiveness mo. Dapat i-outwork mo pa rin. I-outwork mo si Mapua.
That's right. And yung work rate na yun, that's enabled them to get the 2 wins so far. Forward pass, Igliane, touchdown! Off the vision by Clint Escamis.
Pag ganyan ang tinatakbo ng big man mo, talagang dapat i-credit mo yun.
4 assists per team, another takeaway for Clint. Clint, natapikan sa likod. Counter, turnover. 3-on-2. JRU has the numbers. Uy! Ito si Raimundo. Napaganda ba para sa JRU Heavy Bombers? Counted of foul for MJ Raimundo. And that's officially his first basket of the game, Coach Ralph.
First pa lang pala.
First pa lang.
Bigat. Isa siya sa pinaka, expect ni Coach Louie na mag-take charge dito eh. So, with Argente, Gia, mukhang kailangan silang puntahan. Sila ang mga kailangan i-set up.
Dahil dito sa game na to, isa sa mga scorer nila, Jonathan Medina again. Not suited up. So, these 2 players or 3 players for JRU really need to step up big
problema
time.
nila, giving 42 points with 7 minutes left.
That's right.
Yung defense talaga nagiging problema ngayon.
Ganda sana nung hanap sa ilalim. Just unable to finish itong si Igliane. 42-21. Raimundo. Benitez. Pangilinan sends it out. Raimundo from the baseline. No. Ball is tapped around. It ends up with Mangubat.
Nakokontrol ng Mapua ngayon yung mga rebounds. Na yun ang actually pinupuntahan ni JRU ng mga last games niya.
1 and done possessions for the Heavy Bombers. Mangubat again. Off to the right this time. And it goes back to the Heavy Bombers. 42-21. And we saw earlier in the previous play, usual shot yun ni MJ Raimundo from the baseline. Pero kahit pa paano, may challenge pa rin.
Tsaka bago niya matanggap yung bola, ilang bangga na natanggap niya, uubusin niya yung legs mo eh.
Yeah. Dami na niyang pinagdaanan as Pangilinan snipes a 3. Badly needed 3-point shot for JRU.
Laking bagay yun para sa kanila. Baka ito yung kailangan tumulong pa doon sa mga scoring group ng JRU.
Pubilia straight away. Not really his strength.
Kung babagsak ka sa scouting, yan ang ibibigay mo kay Chris Pubilia, yung shooting.
Sa ilalim, uy. Natawagan ng foul itong si Aguimeñi. Noel Aguimeñi. Ito siya. Meantime, here's the sequence. Joseph Pangilinan off the handoff, nailing a 3-pointer. But it's an 18-point lead for Mapua. Almost halfway through the second frame. Time out muna tayo.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are, bumiting sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow!
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, ang tagal sa ere. Hinintay mo nang bumaba. And may kasama pang foul.
At pumasok na. Doon diretso eh.
Sayang.
May content na sana. Are! Wow! Over the outstretched arms of Kevin Santos. This is what Coach Ralph Rivera was explaining. Paeng Are, reading the defense. Balik sa apat.
Ang sabi laban, Mapua with a commanding lead here in the first half, 42-24. And leading the way for Mapua. Chris Subilia with 10 points, Cyrus Cuenco with 10, Mangubat with 8, Escamis with 6 points. Joshua Giap to the line. He makes the first.
Ang daming umi-score sa Mapua. Kaya ang hirap i-check eh.
Yeah.
Sino bang babantayan mo? Kanino ka ba i-help?
Yeah.
Pag home-help ka rin sa isang tao, meron silang open guide. They can convert it.
At saka yung palitan ng tao ni Coach Randy, he knows the right combinations, ano? Kung kailan, si Clint muna, si Cyrus muna, o sige, pagsabay-sabayin ko na kayo.
Hindi na uubusan ng firepower.
Yun.
Every time na magpapalit, meron pa rin, merong gagawa ng puntos eh.
That's right.
Merong shot creator na pwedeng puntahan.
Pumasok na pala para sa Mapua as Giab trickles in the second free throw. Waki Garcia, veteran guard, matagal itong nawala sa NCAA. Missed all of last season with a right knee injury.
Ang ganda ng shooting niya ni Waki Garcia.
Designated sniper to. And a very steady point guard as well. Here he is, on cue, knocks down.
Alam mo na
His
kung bakit
first
siya
attempt,
pinasok.
yeah.
Zone, kailangan ng shooter, Garcia in.
Grabe yan. Gandang welcome back para dito kay Waki Garcia. Nailing a basket right here. Binigay talaga sa kanya ni Lawrence Mangubat.
May sagot kagad sila sa zone defense ng JRU.
And this is a different look for Mapua with Waki Garcia here. Ito ulit siya. One more time. Same spot. Of the front of the rim this time. Tangilina na Abuelo. Doesn't get the pectus. Ito, follow up.
Siya na yung tumira, siya pa yung putback. Ganda ng length niya eh.
Yeah. Si Joseph Pangilinan. Nailed a 3 earlier. Now he cuts the lead down to 17. Lawrence, binigay kay Coach Randy.
Kaya shoot ni Coach Randy yan.
Akala ko naka-triple threat si Coach Randy dun eh. Ready to shoot eh. Ito si Pangilinan. Missed the first challenge shot. Nakuha niya ulit, Coach.
Galing.
MJ Raimundo. Giap hands it off. Nope. Instead gives it to Raimundo here. Slight separation. That will not work.
Challenge shot pa rin.
Ito na si Lawrence Mangubat. Another quick lineup on the floor
Mismatch.
for Coach Randy.
Na-identify kagad nila. Switch.
Yeah.
Big to small. Punta kagad sa post.
Ito yung pinasa kay Coach Randy. Ready naman si Coach eh.
Ano? Grip na
sinakot
grip pa yung bola.
Sabi niya, hindi ako papahawakin ha. Mga shoot ko yan. But he has the luxury of playing Cuenco at the 3 na, Coach. Kasi lagi siya gato, he likes this lineup of 2 quick guards, Mangubat, tas Garcia. Nasa 3 si Cuenco. 3-4 kayang laruin ni Cuenco.
Walang weakness si Cuenco sa defense.
Yeah.
Kaya niyang bumantay ng small. Even bigyan mo siya ng malaki, yung body niya ready rin bumangga.
Yeah.
So, kahit anong position, pwede niyang kunin.
Such a versatile player. And he has that scoring prowess as well. Coach Randy using this time to call his players and regroup.
Coming in for Sean Argente.
Meantime, Argente steps out. He's been struggling in this game. Sean Argente, 1 out of 6. Yung only basket niya, yung 3 puntos kanina sa kanto.
Mababantayan si Sean ngayon eh. Nakafocus sa kanya. Yan na mahirap pag maganda nilalaro mo.
Yeah,
Talagang
scouted ka.
paghahandaan ka na next game.
Especially if you're against, a very good team and a very disciplined team like Mapua.
Alam mo yung scouting team neto, ready lagi.
Yeah. 1 out of 2 for Noel Aguimeña. Aguimeña also coming off the juniors program, yung Mapua Red Robins. Here's Benitez. Uy. Pass was intended for Mark Barrera. Pero hawak siya ni Waki Garcia doon.
Sa penalty na yan ang pwedeng puntahan ngayon ng JRU. Go to the free throw line. Mawasan nila unti-unti. Mawayan ng 15 points. Balik na naman sila dyan.
Yeah. So, Mark Barrera, this is another guy that they can lean on. Ito yung, aside from Argente, of course, isa sa mga steady shooters ni Coach Louie. He's got that nice shooting form as well, nice shooting stroke.
Yes, last game nakascore siya ng 14 points.
Yeah.
So malaking factor talaga. Kung mananalo sila, kailangan tumulong si Barrera dyan.
Mark Barrera, second year in the NCAA, rattles in both free throws, so it's a 16-point lead.
Yan, nagpapakita ng zone ng JRU. Tingnan natin kung itutuloy. Minsan pinifake nila ang zone, then babagsak sa man eh.
Cuenco scoops! Nice baseline drive for Cyrus Cuenco.
Laging may sagot. Laging may sagot ang Mapua.
At grabe yung scoop na yun, Palubo. Uy! Pangilinan. Beautiful feed to the rolling Giab.
Pwede lang puntahan yung mga pick and roll with Giab.
But they can't afford to exchange baskets with Mapua. Kasi yun lang yung nagiging tema dito. Oh, Garcia left with space.
Mataas kasi yung score, 48. Meron pa 3 minutes.
Here's Samontanes. Barrera. Giab. Giab goes around the Giab scores around the world.
Oo, yun nga, tama nga. Go to Giab. Siguro yun ang may advantage nila ngayon over Hubilia. Guarding a big, siguro si Hubilia nangangapa pa. Try nila take advantage yun.
10 points for Joshua Giab. Ito na yung drive ni Cyrus Cuenco.
Hirap kasi i-cover si Cuenco. Hindi mo alam kung bibigay mo ba yung 3 points. Pag bigay mo naman yung 3 points, ang taas din ang percentage niya. Pag nag-long close out ka, ibo-blow by ka naman niya.
Correct. Ito yung gusto ni Coach Randy as we see this feed. Pangilinan to Giab. Cuenco really provides that mismatch against the big men of JRU. Ito, kalaw ni Joshua Giab kanina going around Hubilia to get the hoop. Timeout muna tayo.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at
Lone bright spot for JRU here in the first half. Itong kanilang kapitan na si Joshua Giab. 10 points and a board. He's gone 3 out of 6 from the field as well. Siya at saka si Joseph Pangilinan yung naghahalinhinan sa scoring. And again, very limited production from their key guys in Argente and Raimundo.
Kailangan nilang tumulong doon. Medyo mabigat yung trabaho talaga na ibibigay nila kay Raimundo. Kay Giab.
Yeah. Pero ito, he's gonna get a rest first. New player for Coach Louie here.
Magic bunot na to.
Magic bunot. Naghahanap na siya na talagang gagawa ng impact sa court. This is... Well done. Garcia on the floor now for JRU. Hold on. Tinitignan ko, Coach, kung unang laro niya to.
Rookie?
Oo. Actually, yeah, this is the first game for Garcia here. Yeah. So, Coach Louie is digging deep against Mapua.
Kailangan mo na mag-take chance eh. Alam mo, may mga actually opportunity to para sa iba.
Yeah.
Kailangan magpakita ka na ngayon.
Oh, kita mo naman, Coach. Pabanda. Ang kanyang pagpapakilala.
Mukhang tinawag yan.
Yeah. So, 36 to 49. Naibaba ng JRU sa 13 puntos ang abante ng Mapua. It was as big as 23 points earlier. Pangale with a counter.
Hirap hirap talaga. Ang hirap, sakit sa ulo siguro ni Coach Louie. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, adjustments.
Yeah, there's too many weapons itong Mapua Cardinals. And now they're up to 52 points in the first half.
Hindi ka pa ma-convert, hindi ka pa ma-convert, challenge shots.
Sumasabay na lahat, ano?
Hindi natatapos yung depensa ng Mapua, kahit na malaki lamang nila eh.
Here's Hobilia. Bangkale just hit a 3. Cross court to Cuenco, catch and shoot. Masyado malakas. Uy, pana-panaan, just couldn't secure the rebound there. Ito yung step back long two para kay Garcia.
Mukhang sinadya eh. Hindi ko matawa eh.
Sinadya niya yan, sinurbol. Pajeco Bangkale with a counter 3 on the other side. Again, all of the attempts nitong JRU makabalik. May sagot lagi ang Mapua. Dadagdagan pa dito. Chris Hobilia cleans it up. Cuenco is down. He got hit on top of the head. Tignan natin to. Off the layup.
Papagpag lang ni Cuenco. Katawan niyang yan.
Tignan natin to, Coach. Okay. Definitely it was off his attempt. Tapos sinabayan siya ni Garcia. Okay, pero okay naman siya. Pinalitan ba siya? Oh yeah. So Clint comes back in for Cyrus.
Magandang timing na rin para ipahinga. Maganda na rin yung nilaro niya.
Yeah.
Lalaki na yung contribution niya.
Cuenco with 13 points. And a perfect stint from the field. 5 out of 5. Ito siya, he's being iced.
Unti-unti na-establish na ni Cuenco. Ito, siya na siguro yung magiging kapartner talaga ni Clint.
Ni Clint,
pagdating sa scoring.
Kasi this year, for Mapua, they had some big losses going into this season. In Warren Bonifacio, Jopet Soriano, one of their key bigs.
Hernandez, kasama ba? O?
Paulo Hernandez, that's right.
Mabibigat nga yung pinalitan nila.
Mabibigat yun. Pero dito, nagsi-step up yung mga dapat mag-step up para sa kanila.
Hindi nila nararamdaman yung pag-alis ng mga bench nila eh.
Yeah. Raimundo, struggling in the first half. Step back jumper, hirap na tira, pero naipasok ni MJ Raimundo.
Kung ikaw yung coach ng Mapua, matutuwa ka pa rin yung sa defense na yun. Challenge, step back, good defense pa rin.
That was under duress para kay Raimundo, who now has 5 points. Manghubat, Escamis, Abonete, wala, di niya nakita si Manghubat. Battle for the board, it ends up with Benitez. Ito na si Mosqueda. The other way we go, Sydney, yes! So JRU
unti nang binababa, malaking bagay ito.
Cuts into this lead. This is a quick blitz para sa JRU to end the first half.
Magandang baon to para sa kanila.
Lawrence Manghubat handles. Manghubat against Garcia. Manghubat. Ow! Counted and the foul for Lawrence Manghubat. Na veteran moves na si Garcia doon.
Sakit naman nun, sakit. Unti-unti nang nabababa ng JRU yung malaking kalamangan. Bibigyan ka lang ng one-on-one ulit.
Ito, step back jumper ni MJ Raimundo. That has to feel good. Sydney Mosqueda, double pump in transition. Pero si Lawrence Manghubat, isolation para kay Lawrence.
ISO one-on-one. ISO one-on-one. Paulit-ulit na ginagawa ng Mapua. Pero yung pag-recognize kung sino yung mag-ISO, yun ang mabigat dun eh.
Yeah. And Manghubat, very gifted scorer. A few months ago, he was with the Red Robins in high school. Average just a shade under 18 points per game.
Last shot na to for JRU.
And look at the pressure of Mapua. JRU on the attack. Gente gets fouled.
They're in penalty. Mapua in penalty. 2 free throws for JRU.
That's his second.
So Concepcion will be called for this one. Concepcion, matagal to nagpahinga, coach, ha?
Oo.
Diba? Starting lineup yan kanina.
Laba kasi ng rotation nila. And kahit sino talaga ipasok ni Coach Randy, nagko-contribute. Hindi lang offensively, defensively, rebounds, yung small details.
Yeah.
na pinagagawa sa kanila, tinatrabaho talaga nila.
And Sean Argente to the free throw line here. This is his first trip. At nahahawa pati yung shooting niya sa linya dito.
Dapat buhayin nila. Actually, yung body language nila, unti-unti nakikita mo, na-feel mo, na-focus straight sila.
Substitution.
You're right, Coach.
Darrell Garcia for Sean Argente.
And that's a testament of how tough this Mapua defense is. Throwing off.
Pagkalaban mo, Mapua, dapat physically, mentally, and emotionally, you're tough.
That's right. Final shot of the first half. It is with Mangubat. Mangubat, no. And that's how we will end the first 20 minutes of action here inside the Philharmonic Oil Center. Mapua with a high-scoring first half. They lead it by 16 points, 57-41. We'll tell you the story of the first two quarters by the numbers and through our highlights as well. You guys will also witness the performances from our cheerleading squads. Lahat pong yan sa ating pagbabalik dito sa ating coverage of the 100th season of the NCAA.